Hello. Today we're going to show you how to take a bath. Yeah. She's going to take the bath, not me. I might take a bath later. She will take a bath later. Ugh. Okay. I'm just going to be saying what she's doing. She just gets in the bathtub, put some water in. I think we might need more water. Okay. Just get a little bit more. There. Puts the soap in. Might need a little bit more soap. We just get it in there. Stuck. Out of there. I got it on my foot. Taking a bath anyway. Get it out of there. Yeah, we're gonna need more. Okay. Got more. Great. Fell. Yeah. Let me put more soap. I've got enough soap now. Now I'm gonna just relax. First you gotta scrub. Scrub. Fine. I think we need different kinds of soap. Okay, let's see what I can do. Oops. There. Thank you. You're getting everything all soapy. I think we put too much water. Pour it in the thing. Yeah, I think that's enough now. Oh, yeah. I'm all soapy. I'm soapy. Remember, try not to add too much soap. We accidentally did. We added too much soap. Yeah, we did. Oh yeah, this feels good. Oh yeah. You ready to rinse? No. Well, you have to be ready sometime. Not now. Just remember, we're gonna rinse sometime. Have to drain it first. This feels good. Yeah. More soap. Fine. But you're gonna have too much soap. No, I'm not. Yeah, you are. This place is cool. Oh, yeah. I love this. Oh, yeah. That's it. I'm draining you. No, no. Now you have to rinse. It's not fair. We're gonna rinse you anyway. No. Need more water for rinsing. No. Hey, my paws aren't rinsed. Oh, yeah? Well, let me get more water for you. No. Why? Don't worry about it, okay? Why? I hate you now. Ooh, still a little soap left in here. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah? You have to rinse out the bathtub. There, now let's rinse off you. No. There. Why? Don't worry about it. I don't have anything to dry off. Are you going to have to find something? Nope, can't find anything. You'll find something sometime. Oh, found my towel. Yeah. It's better. There. Oh, let's drain this. Yeah. There. Now you have to do it. No, no. Ugh. Really? Yes, really. Oops. Oh, no. Wait, I haven't taken my clothes off. Hurry up. I don't want to do this. Hey, now watch it right now. She's taking her clothes off. Now watch it. Why? Why do I have to take the bath? Because you have to. You just have to. My clothes don't want to come off. I'll try to get them off. Okay, I got it off. Why? Don't worry, you'll be fine.